Hi guys, welcome back to another Car Talk video. We are now approaching 5,000 subscribers on my channel, which I'm very grateful for each and every one of you. Today is also my 1 year anniversary of filming videos for YouTube. Started filming videos for the Mito repair I did. Very amateurish, didn't know what I was doing. Said a lot, which I still do now. So yeah, happy anniversary to me and everybody that's followed me from the beginning. It's been a long, hard process. I've put a lot of time into it. I think on average I spend, when I film a video, if I'm doing a repair video, it takes me twice as long to do that job because I've got to set up the camera, film probably different takes, and then once it's filmed I've got to come home and spend a few hours editing it. So I do probably spend, we'll say, 2 hours a day at home, either looking on YouTube, editing videos, checking out my stats, replying to comments. So it's a good part-time job doing this. Since I've been monetized, it's helped a little bit, but you don't really get that much from YouTube unless you're into the hundreds of thousands of subscribers. The first day I was monetized, I think I earned 26 pence. And I average now between sort of £2 and £4 a day. So we're sort of £60 to £90 a month, which isn't very much for the time I put into it. I do consider this more of a hobby than anything else, so I do enjoy doing it for the fun of it, not because I'm in it to earn money. But I think now we're at 5,000 subscribers and you see other people asking for money, asking for Patreon and stuff like that. What do you guys think about that on this channel? I mean, there's two options, well, three options. It's Patreon, where you can get videos ahead of time. I think there's a forum on there so you can chat about stuff, and obviously people will be able to request videos and request technical help if you supported Patreon. Not really thought about it until I've started this video. So if you support Patreon, other people on Patreon, let me know what you think, who you support, and what you get from it, and whether that would be something I could do on here that anybody would consider signing up for. The other thing is waiting for 10,000 subscribers, and then I can start selling merchandise. So it'd be like t-shirts, cups, key rings, all the usual stuff you see. Would any of you guys be interested in that? Whether I design some Alfa related t-shirts or merchandise, or just sell stuff with my logo on, would you guys be interested in buying it? And the third thing will be literally just to set up a PayPal account, where if you like a video, you find it helps you, it saves you £100 in labour, would you consider donating to PayPal to say thank you for putting these videos up? And all that money wouldn't go in my pocket. What I'd be prepared to do with it is buy better equipment for it. So I'd buy a better camera, buy mounts, camera mounts, and a microphone and stuff like that to make my videos better for you guys. What do you think about that? Do you think that's a viable option, or shall I just continue pumping out these videos for the joy of it, and I'll take whatever YouTube gives to me? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Happy anniversary again to all my followers of the last 12 months and recent ones as well. And thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.